no, they go up, down. Oh.
But not only are we going to launch two huge rockets, and we're going to need your help to count it down here in just a few minutes, we're going to do two of them at once. And I'm told this is a drag race. We've got two rocket teams competing against each other, and they're going to race each other to about 1,700 feet above the ground here